Ubuholi be-SANDF buqale bachazela iPhalamende ukuthi bayisebenzise kanjani imali engu-800 million ebiyabelwe ukubhekana nezindleko zokujuba amasosha ezindaweni ezinobugebengu.
The breakdown of the 813 million that was received specifically for allowances was made up of deprivation allowance amounting to 694 million, danger allowance amounting to 45 million, and standby allowance amounting to 74 million.
Ezinye zezinto lamasosha azozenza ukunqanda ubugebengu bokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho. Kodwa ke amanye amalungu ePhalamende athi amasosha awazange alibhadela okuhlala khona ozamazama ngesikhathi efika eGauteng ngoLwesithathu.
And we've seen very disturbing video clips of SANDF members deployed in Gauteng doing house searches in the past week, far away from any illegal mining. I would like to get an explanation for that.
I am sure we are going to be deploying based on the feedback that will be coming on those who are busy with all these marrying up drills. If you like, you can call them training. I would say that we should be able to be on the ground by the next 2 weeks or so.
iPhalamende likhala nangokuthi ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uEnji Mthega akabibikho emhlanganweni efana nalena ukuzophendula imibuzo ngokusebenza kombutho wezokuvikela.
It is a major point of concern that the Minister of Defence and Military Veterans is not accounting to this committee. It's not the first time, it's not the second time, and it's not the third time.
Ubuholi be-SANDF busazoqhubeka nokuphendula imibuzo ngokujujwa kwamasosha njengoba ukujujwa kwawo emphakathini kuzodonsa unyaka wonke.